Morning, guys. Hey, we're back at school, so let's go ahead and go over what we're doing today. All right, so today, after my first period, what we did was just kind of go over e-learning. So we went over the test. If anyone didn't get it done, make sure you guys get that done. The passcode is Africa, lowercase, so it's the name of the test, just lowercase. Remember, if you don't know where it's at, the video has the code. It's also not for a grade, so if we click on here, I think I have it in bold. This is a pretest and not for a grade, and as you see here, there's the code. So make sure you get that done. So we just made sure we got that taken care of. And then as a class, we went over Ibn Batuta's video and the worksheet that went with it. So Ibn Batuta's travel. So we just kind of went over some of the questions that kids might have had that they didn't quite get. Just making sure everyone understood how important Ibn was when he was kind of seen as a really good scholar and an amazing person as where he went to. People would give him gifts for just showing up. So we just kind of talked about that. And then we started the notes. Now, I'm going to post online notes that I've only gone through about 4 or 5 slides because it's about where we got to today. And then tomorrow, I will finish them up with watching the crash course video as well. So today you only do partial of the notes. If you want to complete them, you can. Okay, you can go ahead and turn them in. But for me explaining what these notes are about and kind of understanding it, you will need to actually listen to them because the last 2 slides, there's really nothing about Mansa Musa or even Batuta because you're going to have to listen to my notes. So I only go through the first handful of slides because just kind of keep you on pace with what we're doing today. Tomorrow, you can just download the same notes and I'll finish them up for you guys because that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. Okay. If you have any questions, you can always Skype me or email me. Make sure you're working on bell work. Okay, we're working on examples. Let's get through the words. Examples of kingdoms. Okay, once again, these are just any African kingdom. So if you just go to the actual notes itself, it will say them. You can also just type in African kingdoms and you'll find out Mansa Musa means king. Okay, so he's a king. Okay, so find other kings of Africa. Ibn Battuta was a Muslim scholar, so find other Muslim scholars or travelers. Marco Polo. Okay, Timbuktu is a capital city, so just find other African capitals and you should be fine there. All right, and as always, email me or Skype me if you have any questions. Have a good one.